Chapter 13, Advanced Residential Application and Case Studies, comprehensive test. This is the one you scored 92.5% on. So this is just going to be a study guide. There's 40 questions, so this is part one. So number one, remember, you are appraising a property that has substantial structural deficiencies. Your lender client has requested a cost to cure the deficiencies. Who is qualified to provide such an estimate? Remember, only a contractor is. That was an easier one. Number two, the appraiser's scope of work is acceptable when it meets or exceeds what his/her peers' actions would be in performing, remember, the same or similar assignment. Number three, what is another name for the Fannie Mae URAR form? Remember, another name is the 1004 form. Number four, in the appraisal of a 4-unit property, which is 100% leased at market rent with the leases transferring to the buyer, what effect would these leases likely have on the market value? You said no effect, and that was correct. Number five, an appraisal on a complex single-family property having a transaction value of $2 million would require the services of, remember, a certified residential or a certified general appraiser. Number six, life tenant A has a life expectancy of 4 years. Life tenant B has a life expectancy of 7 years. Which one of these would require the use of a lower discount rate when valuing life estate? Remember, life tenant A is the answer. Life tenant A has a life expectancy of 4 years, while tenant B has a life expectancy of 7 years. So life tenant A is going to die faster and would require the lower discount rate. I think number 7 you missed. It's a math one, but we'll come back and do that one. Writing it all down. We're just going over like the terminology part. Number 8, despite the fact that the terms real estate and real property are often used interchangeably, a better term for a valuation professional is, remember, a real property appraiser. Number 9, in highest and best use analysis, what is meant by the term maximally productive use? Remember, the use that produces the greatest residual land value. And number 10, what is an appraiser's best source for information about conventional residential mortgage underwriting guidelines? You said Fannie Mae, and that was correct.